coming over to the dry. Now he's at the nymph. Got him. Hey everyone, today my mate Shane and I, we have come way east of Melbourne to explore some of these little rainforesty style creeks in the mountain ash forests on the way to Bawbaw. So we're coming up onto one. Oh, it's right here. It looks clear, it looks amazing. I've never fished it before and I'm just gonna tackle it and just see what it's like. Have a look at this, this is amazing. Alrighty, Shane is continuing to rig up. This is so clear. This reminds me a lot of the Forester in Tasmania in the northeast, which I fished a bit, which is quite sandy. And you get bits of timber, little bits of little depressions, and the key is just finding them. Saying to Shane before, on little streams like this, you end up making a lot of casts with no fly line out the tip of your rod. It's about getting it up there, getting that drift down. You do hook timber, I might hook that stick there. No, I didn't, but you end up just making little pokey casts all over the place. Sneak up here. Again, like, I probably should have hit that pocket. See if I can get one up in there. Should have hit that pocket, but you got to find that balance. There's one up there. You got to find that balance between fishing the productive water for you and fishing efficiently. There's no point trying to be too tricky, fishing bow and arrow casts all over the place, getting stuck in trees if you get frustrated and it's not fun. So I'm gonna scoot along, make life easy for me and fish the easy stuff. Often you see these fish sitting in the depressions as well on these styles of streams, so you can do a bit of sight fishing in the really pokey, awkward spots. And if you don't see one, don't worry about fishing to them. I am just fishing here. It's a very tight spot I've gotten into. I'm fishing just tabernass, parachute caddis, and a little 2.5mm beaded pheasant tail. Just because, I don't know, because it's a new water and it's a coolish day in autumn here. I'm gonna go around this log. I don't have the confidence just to throw a dry just yet. I want to kind of see a few fish first, and that'll give me confidence to, you know, if I fish nymph under dry, I still think I'll get one to eat the dry. That's what I'm trying to say. See, a spot like this up here looks lovely. It should yield a fish. There's a fish under it. He's just swum towards my nymph. Oh, I can still see him there actually. Surely he'll eat that. There he is, got him. Oh, he's just come off. Damn it. That's great though. And that's what I mean. You often can see them sitting in these sorts of depressions. If I just hand that fly to the tree. Bummer. That's a really good sign though. This is a lovely little bubble line. Surely up. Oh, hang on, there's one. He's eating the dry. He just like shuffled out of the main run onto the side. Look at that. Come here, mate. Wow, he is a pale brown trout.
Very pale.
Is that not amazing? He just completely ignored the nymph too. Alright, see you, buddy. He's about the same.
Coming in, I was like, is that a reddy?
Yeah, just pale with like little red fins on him. All right, you're up, buddy. Thank you.
There's got to be another one in the bubble line there.
Well, you know, it was weird. The only way I saw him was I was fishing that, looking at that, and then I saw him swim over the top of that little stick there. Yep. And then he moved there and I chucked it and he swam downstream and ate it. So, all right, you're up.
Yes.
Oh no, stickfish.
Right. You go and I'll follow.
Do we? You reckon under? I reckon maybe this one. How did that? Oh, there's one. Drop your line, Shane. Bring it to the right, gently.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Oh.
Oh. Did you see him?
Yeah.
He just slid across. I thought that had him, that cast. Hang on, just give me... Oh, no, don't worry. Oh, stay still, stop. One just dropped down out of the run above. Okay. I want to get it there.
That's a nice cast. Oh,
there he is. Oh!
Another one.
He followed that like all the way down. That's a lovely little brown. They all feel so good on a glass rod too. It does make you wonder why we've got the nymph on.
It does.
That is a stunning. How stunning is that?
Beautiful fish.
What a little brown. I hope the camera sees that nicely. There he goes.
Yeah, that's all going to be fish like that, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. Well, isn't that interesting though? You would have thought we would have spooked him.
There were 3 or 4 in there.
Yeah, and then we were just standing there and he just materialised, so... That's weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just how it happens when you come to a new spot. The day just kind of builds.
Yeah.
Like going for, well, we've been going for like half an hour now. And just getting a feel for like where they're actually sitting and what they're doing. And can't see them, but you know there's one somewhere there, don't you? Oh, see him? Watch this.
Oh. Got him.
What another stunner. Look how like golden and pale he is. Look at, oh, sorry buddy. Look at him. Hello, mister. What a cute little fish. That is so cool. It's interesting, I actually did just change the bead colour to silver.
Yep.
And I've been fishing copper the whole time. He just raced out of there on my first cast. Like it just, the plop landed and he raced out into the middle. And then a few casts later, first one to eat a nymph. Oh, other than the one I lost at the start. How clear, like you can see them from a mile away. Oh, one just went up. I'll make one there in case. Just watch your rod for this back cast.
That's got to get eaten.
You would think. or that.
Yeah.
I can't believe how dense all of this is. It's unbelievable.
Come and do it.
He's man down.
Oh.
Oh, they're not going to help me.
Thanks for the comedy. You want a hand?
Well, not now.
What'd you step on?
I lifted my leg over the stick and just went straight through it. Like a wrestler through a table.
Now.
Sure.
Oh, yep, got it.
Oh, lovely, man. You get it. Done well to keep him out of the sticks.
Yeah.
There you go. Nice, man.
How good is that?
Sitting like off the current again, wasn't he?
Up there.
That's awesome. Before you chuck him back, I'll grab a photo. Okay, there's one sitting where this log is across here. There's one sitting in the tail and the dip out. It's hard to know what cast to make to him. Not that one. Oh, damn it. He followed that, but... Oh. That's another really chunky fish. Wrapped himself up.
Nice fish, mate.
It's amazing how he wrapped himself up. Amazing how, like, they sit in the tail. They don't want to sit on the flat, fast sand. They're just off the drop, off the back. And when you know where they're at, you can almost, if I can slide him out of the tangled tippet, you can kind of like, when you come up to a pool like this, not walk up, they're like often sitting just in the back where he is. So he was literally sitting in this depression there. So that's almost what, yeah, today has kind of shown us and where they're holding up in this river at this stage. So. No, I just thought I'll cast over the top of it, just in blind, just in case. There'd be nothing more frustrating than a spooking one through this lovely bit, because it looks so nice as it is anyway. Oh, there is one. I've got him there. Oh, come here, mate. There's another one up. Come on there. What a lovely little brown again, man. On the dry again. Thanks, buddy.
Just gonna come up beside you just to get a better.
Oh, that's a nice one. Okay, stay still. Oh, there's two there. Coming over to the dry. Now he's at the nymph. Got him.
There he is.
They just didn't want to come up and eat the dry.
No.
There were two sitting there. That's pretty nice. Come here, buddy. That's a lovely one. How pretty
There's a nice little
is
fish.
he? That is a stunner. Absolute stunner. Alrighty, gonna wrap the video up there. It was interesting. The river was pretty good. It wasn't amazing, but it's just a beautiful setting, and it was cool. The browns ate the nymph, they ate the dry. We kind of got a better feel for where they were sitting. You'll see that throughout the video. We kind of learned where they were. Very hard river to access some of these ones. Like the bush bashing in was horrible. We were saying we loved it, but probably won't be back anytime soon. So
nice to come and do it, but
yeah, totally. Yeah. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like the video if you did. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Remember, all the gear links that I'm using, the lines, all that stuff is in the description below. A lot of people ask what the setups are. They're in the description below. So click the drop down and see that. And yeah, I'll see you next video. Cheers, guys.